Sir, sa video interview po ni General Torre, ang nasabi niya po ay Photoshop ang picture. Wala po siyang sinabi na wala silang digging na ginawa sa KOJC. Pero si Miss Badoy po, ininterpret niya yon as if ang sinabi ni General Torre ay walang digging na ginagawa ang PNP. So, it's a matter of interpreting the statement of General Torre. Hindi niya sinabi direktahan na wala silang ginagawang digging. Sinabi lang niya na Photoshop. So that's based on the findings of my secretariat.
Mr. Chair, that wasn't the one in contention. The one in contention was when I said he had a press con where he said that walang excavation, that he would Photoshop. And then he said, wala siyang sinasabing ganun, walang press con. He brushed it off.
Sinabi niya na walang press con.
Yes, that's what he said.
Did you say that, General Torre? Na walang press con kang
We can,
ginawa?
we can again refer to the Secretariat, sir, for
Okay, we will go back to
accuracy,
that.
sir.
Please
Yes, sir.
continue. Balikan lang natin mamaya. Ha?
But before that, Your Honor, just a very important point. I have just been informed, Your Honor, for clarification to General Torre. He allegedly declared to the media that after the Senate hearing, he will resume the digging in the basement. Can we get that information from him, Your Honor? Because if that is the case, then I will move, Your Honor, that this Senate hearing would be conducted sine die, meaning this will likewise be conducted indefinitely since they are staying in the JMC KOJC premises indefinitely. Because if he is intending to conduct another digging, despite the fact that he has not even established the reasonableness and its connection with the service of a warrant of arrest, then he is perpetuating an injustice because an arrest warrant can never justify the digging. This is the first time ever in my lawyering, Your Honor, where an arrest warrant is used to convert another property into their boarding house, a police garrison, and preventing the persons there from praying in their own cathedral and from moving around freely, and worse, destroying the building which is now worth billions, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
we will get his answer after the presentation, if it's okay with you.
Very well, Your Honor.
Sasabihin na naman niya na my answer to that, Your Honor, is contained in my presentation.
Very well, Your Honor.
Bigyan natin siya ng kuwan na i-present niya para wala na siyang masabi mamaya na i-present niya. Continue, General Torre.
Thank you, sir. And before again, sir, there was that contention that the compound is a religious area, they consider it as a religious area. May I ask the KOJC resource persons. So religious area, bawal manigarilyo, which they say is like that, at bawal magmura. Tama po ba? Tama po ba yung contention kanina na narinig ko? That the KOJC compound is a religious area and bawal doon magmura, bawal manigarilyo. That's what they're saying na kinukumit ng mga pulis ko, sir.
No
that-
need to ask.
is that
I heard
correct?
that. I heard that.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Oh.
sir. So thank you very much again, sir. Let me start
Yeah,
now
thank you.
without any much further ado. And also, I would like to acknowledge our boss in the DILG, Yusek Lord Villanueva, sir. Next slide, please. The authority and legal basis of our operation are the alias warrants of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and 5 others. So I think this is there's no other question regarding the legality of these warrants, the alias warrants. But on the next slide, I'll show you one warrant where only Apollo Kibuloy is impleaded. Next slide, please. Criminal case number RZQN from branch 106 of Quezon City, violation of 7610, particularly Section 5B, to read, those who commit the act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. Warrant of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and Apollo Kibuloy only. Dated August 8, 2024. Signed by Judge Noel Parel, presiding judge, 106 Quezon City RTC. That is the person that we're looking for, sir. Next slide, please. The area of operation is the KOJC compound, which covers an area of approximately 30 hectares, 22 hectares inside, including the subdivision on the upper right-hand corner, which is another 5 hectares, because we have suspected that there may be a safe house of the subject of the target there. I would like to acknowledge also the presentation of Attorney Torion for giving us the confirmation on the methodical execution of these operations. And also, Mr. Jay Sonsa, the resource person from the another resource person from the KOJC, who simply said that they are live even before we arrive. Next slide, please. So the mission is very simple: arrest fugitives Apollo Kibuloy and 4 others, because one of them is already in custody, now imprisoned in Pasig Regional Trial Court. Next slide, please. The concept is again as simple: enter, arrest, and leave. Simple as may sound, we, of course, expected the challenges. Next slide, please. Drawing lessons from the July 10 operations of Pro 11, we prepared CDM contingents, tactical security teams, arresting personnel, investigator searching personnel with WCPD ASCOR and ancillary services team. So you noticed we even prepared the portalets, because we know that this will be a long drawn battle. Because in the next slides you will see why. And I'm very, very thankful with this opportunity to show this, because the Senate will, we do hope that the Senate will see what interventions can be done to help the police or help bring the fugitives to justice. Next slide, please. Day 1. I wonder, actually, in Attorney Torion's presentation, he uses pictures when SMNI was always live with videos. Because I do believe if a picture paints 1,000 words, a video will be 1,000,000 more in word. So let's click and see the videos in the next slides. Hintayin mo na lang ang video. Medyo mabagal sir ang internet talaga eh. If I may suggest, sir, the lag is being caused by the Zoom application. If we can directly connect to the LED board, it will be a bit faster. If we don't go through Zoom.
Don't know, sino bang technical...
Kung wala namang naka-Zoom, sir, na members, if we can request.
Putang ina, lakad na naman si Loko-Loko. Dapat murahin tong mga to.
Ah, putang ina nyo! Hustisya! Hustisya! Hustisya!
Kore, wag ka na mag-isip. Wala ka namang isip.
Mr. Chair, one question.
Hoy, mga puki ng ina nyo, kamusta naman? Putang ina, lakad na naman si Loko-Loko. Dapat murahin tong mga to. Ang putang ina nyo!
Hustisya! Hustisya! Hustisya!
Ore, wag ka na mag-isip. Wala ka namang isip. Oh,
Papatayin namin si Tore!
wag,
Papatayin namin si Tore!
wag.
Kailangan mo pa naman tayo!
That video clearly shows the hindrances that we face every single day.
Ilapay mo na ko kayo!
Mga kapulisan, parating ang tungkulin.
Oh, grabe!
We use high-density lasers sa ating rubber with the champion board. One of our casualties on the first day. That's the first 3 days, sir. Napaka-exibo lang, sir. And that's the reason why the search really was very long drawn and difficult, as you see. Okay. In this slide, sir, I'll show you that they applied for a permit inside KOGC compound. They applied in fairness to them. It was also approved that they are permitted to hold a prayer rally inside the compound. And immediately they violated all the terms. Number one, they blocked the entire highway. Please click. Can you do that? Yeah. They blocked the airport access road. Next slide. Sige lang, ituloy mo na, Iho. Huwag mo na balik-balikan. They burned the tires as we saw before. That's on the second day only. Nagsisimula pa lang ang search operation, sir. Yan na ang kanilang sinasabi. Paano kami makakatapos yan? They blocked the highway at kitang-kita dyan, sir, dalawa ang fire truck dyan. Hindi pwedeng sabihin na Attorney Torion na wala ang fire truck dyan. Dalawa ang fire truck dyan, dalawa lang ang kinumpiska namin. That's a lie. Will you allow, sir, kung wala ng Zoom, diretso na lang tayo sa LED ball? HDMI connection?
Sige, you do everything.
Sa concert, sa...
Palabas niyo.
Can you do the HDMI connection, diretso?
Sinong kwan dyan?
Kanina may ginagamit kayo sa lead wall, sa lead wall eh. HDMI lang naman yan.
Our apologies to our invited resource persons and guests.
Kitang-kita naman ang fire extinguisher sir, eh, oh. That's the fire extinguisher coming from them directed at us. Sige, and slide please. Kitang-kita naman yan. It's really no... Next slide. Wala na yan, wala na yan. Next slide na. Back and next slide. In the lightning rally, they are already wearing newly printed shirts. They're demanding justice for Apollo Kibuloy, yet they don't want him to surrender to the courts. Next slide, please. Escape lang, iho, escape. Ang pinipindot dyan, escape. These are the pictures of our injured personnel during the dispersal. And at this juncture, I'm really questioning the behavior of KOJC people. Are they really the peace-loving people and law-abiding Filipinos that they claim to be? This is just the second day of the implementation of the warrant. This is not long drawn. This is by no means during this time. Wala pa kami nagagawa sa tindi ng resistance. And is this the red carpet that Pastor Carlo Katiil had promised us? If everything that we do is legal, that up to this point had been upheld even by the Court of Appeals to be legal. Next slide, please. Next slide. Now let's go to the use of the tech equipment in locating possible hiding places. We have the life and motion detector from the BFP, which I stated earlier. 2 units from MMDA and borescope, ground penetrating radar. We have 3 various models from private agencies and 1 from the DNR. Next slide, please.
Dali. For the record, who are these private agencies na hiniraman ninyo? 3 various models from private agencies. Can you cite to this committee for the record?
Can I give it at the executive session, sir? Because one person is a former member of is a member of a church where Mr. Kibuloy is once a member also. Before he put up the KOJC. I think that person will respect his.
So, executive decision, you're going to...
These people are well-meaning private individuals who allow us to use their equipment.
Okay, after this,
Yes, sir.
you have to have a executive decision.
Yes, sir.
Bigyan mo sa amin.
Will do,
Thank you.
sir.